This is lesson 10 of 16 lessons on how to build a Joomla website. This lesson is about Joomla articles, and the topics are creating articles, searching for and filtering articles. In this lesson you will learn the second part to creating primary content, creating Joomla articles. Start by logging into Administrator and then click on the link in the left panel labelled Article Manager. This can also be accessed anywhere within Administrator from the top menu. Select Content, Article Manager. If you installed the sample data, you'll see several articles listed. Create a new article by clicking the New button at the top left of the Actions toolbar. Then enter a heading for the article in the title box. You also need to tell Joomla where the article should be stored. In the right column is a drop-down box labelled Category. Scroll through the list and choose the relevant category. In this case, I'll use the Geography category that was created in the previous lesson. Skip the other options, click inside the article text box and start typing. I'll actually paste some text in that I created earlier. This text editor includes features similar to a word processor. For example, you can highlight some text and make it bold by clicking the B icon. The best way to get familiar with these features is to simply experiment. The one feature you'll probably use a bit is the link tool. To use this, highlight the relevant text and click this button that looks like a chain. A new window appears and you need to enter the web address of the link. You don't need to set anything else, so click the OK icon and the pop-up window disappears. You'll notice that your text has changed to indicate the presence of a link. If you ever need to change the link, just click somewhere in the link text and click the link icon again to bring up the window. When you're done, click OK and in the Actions toolbar, save and close to return to the Article Manager. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll notice that there are navigation buttons that link to other pages within Article Manager. You can click the Next button here to view the next set of articles. By default, 20 articles are displayed per page. By changing the setting in the Display drop-down menu at the top right of the main work area, you'll be able to see more or fewer articles on each page of the Article Manager. As your site grows, it becomes more difficult to find the article you want to manage, so Joomla provides some filtering. Scroll back to the top and enter a word that you know appears in the title of your article into the search box towards the top left of the main work area. Click the Search button to view the results and click the Clear button to return to the full list. There are also various filtering options. At the top, click the Search Tools button and these filters are displayed. If you just want to display articles that have been stored in a particular category, choose the appropriate one from the drop-down menu. Or if you have multiple users creating content, you can filter by their author name. Just like the search option, to return to the full listing, click the Clear button. Now, the obvious thing to do next would be to go to the front end of the site and look at the article that was created. However, it isn't there yet, and this is a vital point to understand with Joomla. What happened was, an article was created and stored in a Joomla category. However, there are several ways to display content, and so there is a final step to perform. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to display content by creating a menu. Here is a summary of the major points covered in this lesson. Creating articles is done in Administrator on the Article Manager page. There are 3 fields that must be completed: title, article body, and category. You can find an article or series of articles using the search and filter options in the Article Manager. I've intentionally kept this demonstration brief so you can learn all the essential Joomla concepts quickly. Inserting images is demonstrated in Lesson 13. However, when you have completed this course, you might like to take the next step with my Beyond the Basics course. This is a comprehensive course that demonstrates every Joomla feature, including advanced article creation. Depending on where you're watching this course, you might find it available on this site. If not, you can find out more at www.buildajoomlawebsite.com. In the menu, look for Tutorials Beyond the Basics.